Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you how you can first time boot up and insert SIM card in your Samsung Galaxy F22 mobile and what setting you need to do when you first boot up your Samsung mobile. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also set up other Samsung mobiles. So first of all, insert SIM card in your SIM tray. So I have only one SIM. So I have inserted in SIM 1 slot. Now insert your SIM tray. Now switch on your mobile. Now select language and press start button. If you want to copy your data, then press next button, otherwise press don't copy. Now you have to enter your Gmail ID, but before entering your Gmail ID, always remember if your mobile is lost or stolen or if you want to factory reset, then you have to always enter your same Gmail ID and password that you have synced with your Samsung mobile. So always remember your ID and password. Now set up your finger lock and pattern lock. If you want to install these applications, then press install, or if you want to skip these applications, then uncheck these all applications and now press finish. So guys, now after 5 minutes our Samsung Galaxy F22 mobile is ready to use. Guys, first boot up takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes, and guys, with the help of this method you can also first boot up and set up your other Samsung mobiles. Guys, if you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.